Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time I think we're going to do a recycling, a sort of recycling. Well, I shouldn't say recycling. As you can see, we had a nice pick of which can go in the kitchen. It was with a glass in front of it though, but we took the work which is on cardboard, and I did I did two flip on it. Well, it's not quite a recycling as it is giving it a second life. So I think it's gonna look great. I think, like we said, we're gonna do but basic colors. I only gonna put about 3 or 4 colors. That's it, because I wanted to have more details in the colors instead of putting a lot of colors and having a lot of details. So there's only way to find out what's gonna happen. So let's go and try it. So guys, I think the result is quite nice. I think that it's even better than I was expected. I think the cells in it are quite nice looking, a bit defined, but in the fact that I did move it around for a while with the acrylic still wet, I think it gave us some more defined line because the cells did did expand to give us some very defined line. So I think it's a great result, and as you can see, the frame has got a sort of a glass. I'm not sure if it's a glass or maybe not real glass, but it gives it a nice gloss, a nice shine when you look at it. You don't have to put varnish, that's for sure. So I think it's nice. I think, you know, it's something that you can go around in the garage sale or something like that and find a frame with whatever is inside, and you do your own work and you put it in. So I think you save on the cost of doing it, but the look on it when you're going to put it on a wall, I think it's multiplied by 10, which is of course a lot better. I think, well, like we always say, it's subjective, to each his own taste, but, and you know what, with the, like always, my wife, with the when I do a flip cup or a pouring, we always have some acrylic which exceed what we need, and the droppings of it, well, we do a lot of things with it. And like I say, you recycle some frames, and that's something that you can do with it. I think it's quite nice. I think it's a nice result. I think it's a nice change. It's something that you can offer, and it's a nice gift. And gotta tell you that sometimes it even sells better than the regular painting that we do just with the canvas. I think it gives it another dimension, another life. So anyway guys, like we always say, it's kind of subjective, but I think it's nice. So like always, thanks for being there. I hope you're gonna like it, and you're gonna try it, of course, because it's simple. You just have to go at it, and if it doesn't work well, you go back and redo it all over again until you like it. So guys, on that note, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Bye.